As you know, I recently purchased some SW Motec Sysbag WP panniers. I still have a little problem remembering the name of that thing. But they're going to be fitted, or they are fitted on the bike whenever I travel, by the removable racks from SW Motec. And they've worked out great so far and meets all my luggage needs. But I decided, well, the front, the upper crash bars here, if the bike were to go down, you know, they'd contact the ground and probably get a little bit damaged and all of that. And if I were to put some some bags on these crash bars here, they'd protect the bars a little bit from damage when they're falling down. Plus, you'd have additional storage if you need it. So I did some research and I found, well, they're not cheap. But I found this product on Amazon from a company called Rhinowalk. As far as I could tell, Rhinowalk is a Chinese company, but it's got very good reviews. And it is a brand name. I mean, other people know about this stuff, so it's not just, you know, unknown Chinese stuff. So Rhinowalk is the name of the product, and it's a 6-liter bag, and it's for crash bars, or you can wear it over your shoulder as a strap or across your back or whatever. You can, you know, it's a carry bag for when you're off the bike. So I decided to take a shot at this. They're about $50 each, so they're not cheap. So it's about $100 for this solution that I'm talking about. So today what we're going to do is just see how it fits on these upper crash bars on the Tiger. They're a universal fit, this Rhinowalk bag. The 6-liter bag, as you see here, is a roll top bag, and it comes with this card. As far as I can tell, it doesn't come with any instructions. This is as much as you're going to get for instructions. So installation, you can see it can be installed as a crash bar bag, or it can be installed as a tank bag, but I think you need some kind of an extra mounting strap for that, or you can put it on panniers that you have yourself and strap it on. And they just show you a couple of other scenarios for these types of bikes. It gives you some information here. It says it's a waterproof, a motorcycle cargo bag, and the brand is, or the item number is MT2206. Material is polyester. The size is, as you can see there, 21 centimeters by 8.5 centimeters by 29 centimeters, 242 centimeters. I'll put the dimensions up on the screen in a different graphic, but it comes in either black or olive green, and I opted for the black version. And you can see there it's Hangzhou whatever technology company limited is the manufacturer. Inside is a strap, a carry strap, and it's got these two type of fittings here. I guess it's for the sides. You can attach it to the sides of the bag somehow. There is also on the back a handle you can use to carry it, you know, like a bag like that. And this is, when you roll the top down, I guess that strap at the back there comes over and it clips onto the front here. The thickness of the bag is not that much. It's about 3 inches in this dimension. Now it's got these nifty buckles here. Obviously you release the buckle by typical way, just pressing on the side, and it comes out. It's got this kind of arrangement, but it's also got this cam lock here, and this cam lock is kind of this is what you use to thread the strap through, and then you can adjust your length and then just lock it down in place. So you can cinch up this bag pretty good. For the purposes of fitting this bag onto the bike, I filled this with some kitchen towels, some tea towels here to kind of get the bag up to shape. And since this bag is going to be kind of cushion for my bike, maybe that's a good place to put my clothes. I don't know. I'll have to pack differently now, I suppose. So there we have it. It's all folded down. This strap is strapped over from the back to the front, and it has this elastic strap here to take up the to store the additional or the excess strap material, you just roll it up and then stick it under there. I wish they had that for the sides here. This is, to me, a little shortfall. They've got this little clip here where you can see that I've rolled this up here and stuck it under the clip, but that can easily come out. So it would have been much better to have that same kind of an elastic arrangement on the sides as well. See, this is the other side, and that looks like it's going to want to slip out. So not as good a design. But it's got a nice little pack here, a little, not pack, but a pad here on the back. So, you know, to protect whatever you're going to strap this onto. If you strap it onto your tank, it'll help to protect. And the material is it's a nylon kind of a Cordura type thing, this material here. Whereas the material in front is a smooth, waterproof, obviously waterproof type fabric. So let's go to the crash bars and put it on. Well, as I suspected, it fits perfectly here in this orientation here, and it doesn't look too ugly actually. As you can see, I've got these straps right here. I first put on the upper straps over here, and it wanted to kind of slide all over the place. But the minute I put on the back strap here, or the bottom strap here, and similarly the other strap here, everything you know, came together, and it's all nice and solid. You can of course wrap the strap around. It's got enough strap length that you can wrap it around one time and then come back over and clip it on. So that will really keep it in place. But I just passed it over the bar and then back onto this, and it's fine. It's absolutely fine. So this is quite nice actually. I'm quite encouraged about this, and yeah, it doesn't look half bad. Now, like I said, it's got these little elastics here, right? So you can just roll this up like this and pass it underneath that elastic here to take up any extras. But and the same thing for the top here. You can see there's an elastic right here. So one could, by passing this strap here underneath this, you could open the roll top with the bag attached to the bars. Not a problem. So when the bike, if and when the bike falls, it'll fall onto this. Nice big cushion. So it's gonna have, if I've got the panniers on the back as well, those panniers there will take the load as well as the front here. So between the two, you know, the bike is protected. So it should come off without a scratch. Now I just gotta find what to put in there. You don't wanna put something that you know, is crushable inside there, because this here is to actually, you know, squish. It'll fall, and it needs to protect the bike. So it probably should get something soft in there. They look like good quality, and you probably can't see this on the inside so well because it's dark in there, but there's a small, very small pocket. There's a very small pocket in here for something, maybe a cell phone or something like that. But I'm not going to be using that, I don't expect. So yeah, but it's a nice TPU canvas. What does it say here? Rhinowalk, focus on riding bags. 6 liters. Very nice product. Very robust. Good quality. Excellent buckles with this little cam lock feature here, and excellent for putting it on actually. When you're putting it on the bike, you just slacken off all of these buckles here, extend this, and then you know, clip it in place, and then just cinch down the straps. The back is nice. It's got a nice little label here. Very good quality. Very satisfied with this product.